Oh, hi. Hello. What's up, mga momshies? Ayan. I'm preparing now to go to the hospital. Kasi si baby hindi nagmo-move for almost 4 hours now. So, advice ng doctor is to go directly to the hospital to check the monitor the fetal movement. Nandiyan na rin si Papa. Nag-aayos lang ako. Ayusin namin si Nura. Dadali namin muna si Nura sa kila Mama. Then, diretso kami sa hospital. Samayin niyo kami. And I really hope and pray na okay si baby. Kasi since this morning, walang masyadong galaw ang ating munting prinsesa. Ayos lang muna tayo ng konti. Para hindi naman tayo mukhang ano, diba? Kailangan kahit papunta na sa ospital kailangan ano pa rin, presentable pa rin tayo. Yeah, we're here na sa hospital. Dinrapay muna namin si Nana kila Mama Dad. We are here in the maternity ward. We're gonna check out our baby. She'll be good. And tapos na tayo. Nagpa-monitor lang kami saglit ng heartbeat baby. Alam mo, nakakatawa. Kasi habang sa kalagitnaan ng pagmamonitor, bigla siya sumipa ng malakas. Nakakaloka. Tapos sabi ko kay Papa, mag-videohan niya ako. Sabi niya, it's not the time for making a video. Nai-stress siya. Nai-stress siya talaga. Pero thank God kasi stable yung heartbeat ni baby. And thank God, bukas pupunta kami kay doctor. He's going to check me again just to make sure everything is fine, na hindi siya cold kasi dun sa monitor nagda-drop yung heartbeat niya. Kaya bukas pumunta daw kami sa kanya sa monitor. But hopefully everything will be fine nga kasi nakaka-stress yung nai-stress talaga ako pagka ganito. Good morning, mga momshi. What's up? Welcome to our channel, The Gracies. Ayan si Nura. She's ready to She's ready to go to school. Ayan, after pag-alis niya, mag-nap lang tayo for a bit. And then, we're gonna prepare. Papa will go to school. Papa will go to work next. Kasama ako kasi diretso kami ng doctor to check with our baby. Grabe, na-stress ako ng bongga kagabi. Kaya hindi ako masyado nakatulog. But thank God, she's moving but not that much. Pero siguro sabi nga ng doctor, natutulog lang siya kasi okay naman ang heartbeat niya kagabi nung minomonitor siya. So let's send Nura to school.
Why are you staying there?
Yeah, because that one is kunafa.
Huh?
Kunafa. Excuse me. You can spit it out. What is that, babe?
Fruit.
Huh?
The fruit.
Fruit? What fruit?
The fruit.
May nahulog na prutas. Ay, si Nano andun na, oh. Yun na. Punta ka na daw. Dali na. Bye, baby. I love you.
I love you. Mama, put my hoodie.
Hoodie, 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 hoodie.
Hoodie.
Baby,
Bye.
I love you. Be good. Study hard. Tayo naman. Pahinga na tayo ulit. Kailangan natin pahinga. Sabi nga ng doktor, baka napapagod ako. Kaya, ang reaction ni baby is pagod din. Okay, guys. Halika na. Alis na muna tayo. Let's go. Ayan. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Remember when we go to El Dorado? We're going back there kasi I'm gonna buy lunchbox for Nura. Kasi yung lunchbox niya, nasira yung zipper. So, I have to get her a new one. Yung mura lang naman. Which is nice because I have time to walk here. Because in the mountain, I wouldn't be able to have a walk because the road there is slightly, not slightly, it's actually elevated and it's kind of dangerous for me to walk around the village. So whenever I have a chance to come here in LA with Papa, I'm having a nice walk. Para exercise ko na rin, di ba? Tsaka maganda ang panahon. The weather is so nice. It's clear. Sunny, but it's cold. The weather is cold. And tsaka maganda ang sidewalk kasi malapad. So I don't need to be worried. Di ba? It's still safe. It's very safe. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng skin ko ngayon. Ano yan, dahil sa lamig. Dahil sa malamig na. Pero kagabi, nung bumiyahe kami papunta sa hospital, ayun, medyo malamig masyado kagabi. Around 5 degrees. Kaya pag lumabas ka, at magsasalita ka, makikita mo umuusok na yung bibig mo. It's quite nice weather now. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Ayan, dito tayo sa El Dorado. Pero tumitingin ako ng mga damit. Yung pang winter. Para kay Nana. Kasi yung pang winter niya na jacket, hindi ko na alam, promise, hindi ko alam kung saan ko na ilagay. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ko na ilagay. Promise. I think they want it's cute. Pang tulog. Tinira overall. Kaya lang hindi pwede sa kanya to kasi nagwiwiwi siya sa madaling araw. Nakita ko kasi yung mga winter clothes na lang kaganda. Kaya lang hindi siya sale. Tada! Diba? Pero kasi nga, in season, kaya walang sale. Naman pang winter. Oh, yun pala, meron. Let's check. Let's check it out. Nabudol ako ng isang jacket para kay Nora. Wala akong nakitang lunchbox niya kasi inaayos na nila for mga winter clothes. Pero nakabila ko ng magandang jacket for her. Magugustuhan niya yun kasi gusto niya yung mga fluffy. Mga fluffy na feeling. Kasi surprise siya mamaya. let's go back. Pakita na tayo, Papa. Baka nahanap na ako mo. Kasi tumambay ako saglit. Hindi pala saglit. Matagal akong tumambay sa Pandu, which is yung second branch na minamanage din niya. Pagka wala yung admin ng franchise nila din sa store. Medyo matagal kami nagkwentuhan ni Jojo. So, napatagal ako dun sa shop, dun sa bakery. At wala man talaga akong balak na pumunta dito. Pero, lubos-lubosin na natin kasi mas okay maglakad-lakad dito sa Alay kaysa sa village. Dito. Ayun siya. Almost near our doctor. He waited for me to leave, but it took me time to come back. Sorry. The time. He didn't even eat breakfast. I forgot. Yeah, we're here inside now. Wait for the doctor. She's very busy watching Hunter. He's craving. How you crave on hunting?
Joe?
How you crave on hunting?
Too much.
Since it's
But
not.
my wife didn't let me only zero money to buy bullets.
Because bullets is so expensive nowadays. So we cannot enjoy hunting. And here, finally, we get a chance to see our baby on our scan. And thank God, she's kind of moving while we're doing the scan. Not the usual movements that we felt before, but we can see in the scan there are some movements, small movements, that we can consider that the baby is doing good. And after this scan, the doctor explained why there is some complications that I'm going to beginning to feel this week. So hopefully everything will be fine. And thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you soon again.